Last week was all about Jensen and NVIDIA news. This week, we got his cousin, Dr. Lisa Su, the CEO over at AMD, reporting Q3 earnings. If you've been investing or thinking about investing in the AI race, here are 3 game notes on AMD you need to know specific to the earnings report. Number 1, the stock's performance, up 45% since we last posted on their earnings in early August. Back then, it was trading at $174 a share, and today it's at $255. What happened? That brings us to our second point. Number 2, a Wall Street Game Notes favorite, product-led growth. Due to the strategic decision-making and leadership over at AMD, they came out with one of their most powerful GPUs yet, the MI450. And this finally gave them a proper seat at the AI infrastructure table. So much so that about a month ago, they signed a deal for, quote, tens of billions of dollars in revenue from OpenAI. For a company like AMD that makes about $30 billion in annual revenue, this is going to give them a huge boost. And this was the primary catalyst behind the stock's gain over the last couple of months. We love seeing this deal hit, not just because of the revenue from OpenAI, but because of the credibility that comes to AMD to more easily secure big contracts in the future, something we're already seeing. Number 3, the earnings. Wall Street is expecting a record $8.7 billion of revenue for the quarter and earnings per share of $1.09. This would imply about a 28% revenue jump from Q3 last year. Keep in mind, the OpenAI money isn't supposed to start hitting their books until next year. Okay, lastly, just want to leave you with a couple of risks to be aware of given that these stocks are so hot. The first, the deal with OpenAI. While this is predominantly good news, the valuation of AMD is dependent on OpenAI's ability to deliver, which some are starting to question. It also seems like Intel is making a bit of a comeback here, which might cut into AMD's CPU business, which is still a significant portion of their business. And lastly, NVIDIA. They show no signs of slowing down and are keeping their nose ahead in terms of product development and market dominance. It's important to note, though, that AMD can still have explosive growth with only a moderate slice of the overall AI pie, and that is one of the main reasons we're bullish here. Thanks, guys. Make sure to follow or subscribe to catch the notes post-earnings. Be good.